strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If there's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Through your head, who can you call? An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Afraid of no ghosts.
Happy Halloween, everyone! Welcome! It's time to celebrate the season of tricks and treats. The sights, the sounds. Ooh, and what's this, you ask? Well, let me show you. We'll call out the spirits to socialize. After all, my friends, this is Halloween.
When you hear the knell of a requiem bell, we're ghostly where the spirits dwell. Restless bones that bury alive. Cries of spooks of every size. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. When the cryptors creak and the tombstones quake, spooks come out for a swing and wake. Happy haunts materialize and begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. As the moon climbs high on a dead oak tree, spooks arrive for the midnight spree. Creepy creeps with fury starts to shriek and harmonize. Grim grinning ghosts from out and socialize. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
Happy Halloween, darlings! This is what I live for. It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. The Lucas of Ruga wings of the Caspian Sea. Your Princess Lycidas, Max Laryngitis, the Voce to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
All my life and the hereafter, I've never seen one like you. You're a knife, sharp and deadly, and it's me that you cut into. But I don't mind. In fact, I like it. Though I'm terrified, I'm turned on, scared of you. Oh, she's a monster. Little monster. Little monster. But I don't mind. burning through.
Happy Halloween, everyone!
Wow! Wasn't that amazing? Crumbs, 3 cheers for Platinum Fireworks. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hip hip! Oh my life!